Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is shadmanleon and right now I'm gonna show you how to create a digital clock using Python Turtle. So this is my project and the project name is digital clock and I have made this using Python Turtle. Turtle is a special feature of Python. Using Turtle we can easily draw on a drawing board. First we import the Turtle module, then create a window. Next we create a Turtle object and using the Turtle methods we can draw in the drawing board. So right now I'm gonna run the whole project. Yes, here you can see it's a 24-hour format digital clock using Python Turtle. So right now I'm going to the demonstration part of the project. So here I import the turtle, then I create a turtle and this turtle will display the time, and that is t is equal to turtle.turtle. Then I create a turtle to create a rectangular box, and then I create a skin, and also I set the background color and that is red. So also I am going to obtain the current hour and minute and second, and that will input from my system. So here we can see text is equal to dt.datetime and dot now and second, and this is the second part, and here it's the minute part, and here it's the hour part. So I just got the pen size 3, and also turtle shape color I have got the black color, and that is t1.color black. Also select the t1.pen up, and that is here in the mode of finish. Now here I set the position of turtle, and I create a rectangular box, and also I select the range forward, left, forward and left, and all the functions here is used as a sequentially order, and that is t1. So I'm going to hide the turtle, and that turtle will hide the time sequence, and that is t1.hideTurtle. I use that while loop because the display time. So every time this project and the demonstration part of this project will input the time sequence, the time sequential, and that will take from my system. So here I select the font Arial narrow and 35 bold, and also that is time slip 1, and also second part is 1. So if second is 60, then second will be 0 and minute will be 1. Here we can here we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. If minute is equal to 60, then the hour will be 1. Here we know 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. If hour is equal to 13, and that is the 13 hour, and here I have already told that we are using the 24-hour format clock. So here I'm gonna run the whole project again. Here we can see the digital clock, and that is the transformed by the Python Turtle graphics. I have already given the source code link of this project. If you like this video, show support to the channel by hitting like button of this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.